Helgeviator och hindra aviska. Freyr. We ask you here to join us, son of Njord, most beloved, most venerated of all the gods, king of the Swedes, master and lord of prosperity, of growth, of all that is good and safe and comfortable. We ask that you join us here for Blot, that we may give you thanks and gratitude for a harvest, for a fine year, and for all the triumphs that we've overcome. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Welcome, Lord Frey. We ask that you bless this offering. This offering, not of blood, as in days of old, but mead, brewed by our hands, brewed by our kinsmen, brewed here at Italy for this purpose, to venerate and honor you and your ilk. We offer you the fruits of our harvest, fresh loaves and vegetables picked only this morning from the crops that you allowed us to grow. We ask that you bless this offering, that we may take it internally and externally, so that we may experience the joys and the love that is your kinsman. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Your prosperity. Frey.
It's for you. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Frey. Welcome. It seems like so long ago, the first time I cracked open a book and I read the story of Frey, and I read about his sister, and I read about the Acer Banner War, and everything was so exciting and new, and it hasn't really changed much. I've internalized a lot of the lessons, and I probably look at them and read them in a whole different way than I did 25 or 30 years ago. But the excitement isn't faded. It has its winters, and it has its summers, and we happen to be in the summer now. And I want to thank you for the rain. We've gotten so much rain. Everything is so beautiful. I'm sure that the animals are going to be all over the place and fat and healthy when it comes time for the hunt. And we know that that is because of your intervention, because of you shining your blessings down on Idaho and all of the adjoining states with so much just wonderful rain and nice weather that we've had. So we thank you for that. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Frey, in addition to the mead, we offer you this basket, garnished with our own dill, a fresh baked loaf of dill bread, a favorite among not only this tribe, but Scandinavians in general. And we have sampling from our garden that you helped us grow. We offer this to you. We'll leave this out on the table so you can send the whites, the fairies, the Disa, or anybody that might want a snack here for this offering. And we have one more offering that I've never actually read to Frey, but it's a poem that I wrote nearly 25 years ago when I was first starting down this path. And it is about Frey and his wife, Gerda. While on lid shelf resting seated, to the north my gaze retreated. Lovely Gerda I did see, shaking linen carelessly. More fair a maid I have not seen, more longing for I have not been. Now my heart is in despair. So, to Frey.
Hail Frey.
Don't know how long it's been since people offered poetry to the gods, but I am sure that they appreciate it. Frey, that poem illustrates what you had to sacrifice for love, for what you wanted. Even though you broke the rules and you sat on lid shelf where you weren't supposed to go, for good reason, as you were captivated with Gerda and you could see no other way, you sacrificed your one and only sword, your weapon for the final day, doomed to fight it out with an antler, of which you've used before successfully. So your skill you did not trade, only a toy, a weapon. But we understand the sacrifice, and we understand that sometimes you have to give up things you hold dear for things that you hold even more dear. That lesson isn't lost on us. We appreciate what you do for us. We appreciate you in our lives, and we notice when you make a difference. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
And now we bid you a good journey home, although we ask you to stay for feast. Enjoy some kinship, some family time, some good food, and then leave when you feel the need to leave. And we ask that on your way home, you converse with any supernatural creatures you meet. Tell them that there's still good people in Midgard, still folks who honor the way, honor the old gods, honor the traditions, their family and their kith and their kin, just as days of yore, when the gods walked the earth as men. We bid you good and safe journey home. Hail Frey.
Hail Frey.
Send them home, baby girl.